The internet exploded with a number that caught the attention of millions of people around the world: $12,749. This amount began circulating as if it were the supposed revolutionary price of the highly anticipated Tesla Model 2, the electric car that promises to completely transform the global automotive market. For many consumers, especially those who had always dreamed of owning an electric vehicle but considered the prices prohibitive, this number seemed almost unbelievable. After all, for years, electric cars were seen as premium products, reserved for those who could afford to pay more for cutting-edge technology. The emotional impact of this value was immediate because it suggested the possibility of a future where electric mobility would become truly popular. However, as often happens on the internet, the speed of information ended up surpassing the accuracy of the facts. Many headlines, videos, and discussions began to treat this value as if it were a price confirmed by Tesla. And that's precisely where the need to separate expectation from reality arises. Because understanding what this number really represents is essential for anyone interested in the future of the Model 2. The most important point that many have ignored is that the $12,749 does not represent the final retail price. In fact, this number is much more related to an estimated manufacturing cost, based on analyses by automotive industry experts and projections on Tesla's production strategy. This means the approximate value needed to produce the vehicle under ideal conditions, considering industrial efficiency, innovation in assembly, and cost reduction in materials. This concept is completely different from the market price. Manufacturing a car for a certain value does not mean selling it for that same value. Companies like Tesla need to consider dozens of additional factors before setting the retail price. Among these factors are transportation, global logistics, taxes, technical support, marketing, technological development, and, of course, profit margin. After all, no multinational company operates without seeking profitability. Confusing production costs with final price is like imagining that the value of the ingredients in a meal is the same price paid at the restaurant. When we look at the business structure of a company like Tesla, it becomes clear why selling a car at cost would be financially unviable. Tesla is not just a car manufacturer. It's a technology, energy, and innovation company, with investors and shareholders expecting constant growth. This means that each product launch needs not only to cover expenses, but also to generate a financial return. The manufacturing cost may be surprisingly low thanks to technologies like GG casting, automated production, and advanced battery agreements, but the final price needs to sustain the entire business operation. Think about software development, artificial intelligence research, safety improvements, expansion of charging infrastructure, and after-sales service. All of this factors into the equation. Therefore, even if Tesla manages to manufacture the Model 2 for somewhere between $12,000 and $13,000, that doesn't mean the consumer will see that same number at the digital dealership. In practice, there's a strategic difference between production efficiency and market positioning, and that difference can represent thousands of additional dollars. Automotive analysts are currently working with three main scenarios to estimate the real price of the Tesla Model 2 when it finally hits the market. The first scenario is the optimistic one, where everything works almost perfectly. In this case, Tesla would be able to execute its production with maximum efficiency, keep battery costs low, and launch an extremely basic version with more limited range and reduced features. In this scenario, the price could range between $12,000 and $14,000. It seems impressive, but it is considered less likely precisely because rarely do all industrial factors align perfectly. Still, this scenario fuels global enthusiasm. It would be a real game changer for the industry. An electric car at this price could redefine access to sustainable mobility in several markets. However, experts warn that relying on this scenario is betting on conditions that are almost too ideal for a sector historically subject to logistical and economic unforeseen events. The second scenario, considered by many experts to be the most realistic, positions the Tesla Model 2 between $17,000 and $19,000. This range is seen as the most balanced because it combines accessibility with financial viability for Tesla. In this context, the vehicle would offer more competitive range, probably between 260 and 300 kilometers, in addition to sufficient safety and comfort features to compete directly with entry-level compact sedans and combustion-powered SUVs. This price would place the Model 2 in an extremely powerful strategic position. It wouldn't need to be the cheapest car on the market, just offer a superior combination of operational economy, technology, and cost-effectiveness. And that's exactly where Tesla could be most dangerous for traditional competitors like Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai. A Model 2 in this price range could convince consumers not only because of the initial cost, but mainly because of the savings over the years. For many analysts, this is the most likely scenario precisely because it balances innovation, profit margin, and global competitiveness. There is also the pessimistic scenario, which cannot be ignored. In this case, problems in the supply chain, increased costs of raw materials such as lithium, nickel, or aluminum, as well as industrial challenges, could raise the final price to between $21,000 and $23,000. Although it could still be considered relatively affordable within the electric vehicle segment, this value would reduce some of the revolutionary impact promised by the Model 2. The vehicle would cease to be a car for the masses in some markets and would begin to compete more directly with basic versions of existing models, including within Tesla itself. This point is crucial because the company would need to avoid cannibalizing Model 3 sales. Historically, Tesla has always faced challenges between promise and execution. Unexpected costs, delays, and strategic adjustments have happened before. Therefore, ignoring the possibility of a higher price would be naive. History shows that very low expectations can end up generating frustration when the product finally reaches the market. Tesla's past offers clear examples of how advertised starting prices can differ significantly from reality. The Tesla Model 3 is perhaps the most emblematic case. When it was unveiled in 2016, its main highlight was its base price of $35,000, something that generated worldwide enthusiasm. Millions of consumers came to see that model as the first truly affordable Tesla. However, the reality was more complex. Large-scale production took longer than expected, and the entry-level version took years to become truly available. Meanwhile, more equipped versions dominated the market, frequently exceeding $45,000. In other words, although the promised price technically existed, for many consumers it seemed distant or limited. This difference between initial marketing and real-world experience reinforced an important lesson. Ambitious announcements generate attention, but industrial execution defines public perception. The Model 2 will inevitably be analyzed under this same historical lens. Another striking example is the Cybertruck. When it was revealed, the vehicle shocked the world, not only with its futuristic design, but also with its price positioning. Many believed that Tesla could deliver a disruptive pickup truck at highly competitive prices. However, over the years, changes in costs, materials, and specifications significantly altered initial expectations. The final product underwent adjustments, and the market realized that transforming a bold vision into commercial production is not simple. This doesn't necessarily mean failure, but it shows how initial projections should be analyzed with caution. Tesla frequently operates on the edge between extreme innovation and unprecedented industrial challenges. Therefore, when it comes to the Model 2, more attentive consumers observe not only the marketing, but also the company's real ability to deliver on its promises on a global scale. Excitement is valid, but excessive confidence in preliminary numbers can create unrealistic expectations. One of the biggest mistakes consumers make when evaluating vehicles is focusing exclusively on the purchase price without considering the total cost of ownership over time. This is where electric vehicles can have a transformative advantage. A combustion engine car may seem cheaper initially, but its accumulated costs can be much higher. Fuel, oil changes, filters, spark plugs, mechanical maintenance, exhaust system, and various periodic repairs create an ongoing expense. For an average driver covering about 9,000 kilometers per year, fuel alone can represent thousands of dollars over a decade. When we add preventive and corrective maintenance, the total value can easily reach between $28,000 and $40,000 in 10 years. This means that the real cost of owning a traditional car goes far beyond the monthly payment or initial purchase price, and this detail often goes unnoticed. In the case of a Tesla Model 2, even if the initial price is higher than some popular combustion engine vehicles, the operational savings can significantly offset it. The annual cost of electricity for driving tends to be drastically lower than gasoline or diesel. Furthermore, electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, reducing mechanical wear and the need for frequent maintenance. There are no oil changes, less brake wear due to regenerative braking, and less complexity in various systems. This doesn't eliminate costs, but it significantly reduces recurring expenses. For many consumers, especially those planning to keep the vehicle for years, this factor may be more important than the entry price. The debate shifts from how much does it cost to buy to how much does it cost to own. This change in perspective could redefine how entire families make automotive decisions in the future. Another extremely relevant yet often overlooked aspect is the role of driver assistance technology, especially for older audiences. For people over 60, driving is not just a convenience, it's independence, autonomy, and quality of life. With aging, changes in reflexes, peripheral vision, and mental stamina during long periods of driving are natural. This doesn't mean incapacity, but it increases the value of technologies that aid in everyday safety. The Tesla Model 2 can stand out precisely because it offers advanced assistance systems at a more accessible price point. Features such as blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, preemptive braking, and adaptive cruise control can help drivers maintain confidence and mobility for longer. This represents not only technological innovation, but also social impact. The democratization of these tools can transform road safety for millions of people. It's important to highlight that driver assistance doesn't mean fully autonomous driving. There's a crucial difference between support systems and self-driving cars. In the context of the Model 2, the most plausible focus is on offering practical tools that reduce risks and make the experience less tiring. In traffic jams, for example, automatically maintaining distance can reduce stress. Gentle lane departure warnings can prevent common mistakes on long journeys. Constant monitoring around the vehicle can compensate for natural limitations in perception. These features can be particularly valuable for the elderly, novice drivers, or people who simply want more peace of mind behind the wheel. When technology is applied to enhance safety without increasing complexity, it ceases to be a luxury and becomes a competitive necessity. This could be one of the Model 2's greatest strategic differentiators. However, excessive technology can also create barriers, especially when usability is poorly planned. One of the most important debates surrounding Tesla involves its philosophy of centralizing controls on digital screens. While this seems modern and minimalist, not all drivers adapt easily. Adjusting air conditioning, mirrors, or basic settings via digital menus may be intuitive for some, but uncomfortable or even dangerous for others. The challenge for the Model 2 will be to balance innovation with simplicity. If Tesla can combine an efficient technological interface with more accessible commands for essential functions, it could significantly expand its audience. This would be especially important for older consumers or those less familiar with advanced digital ecosystems. In the end, successful technology is not just impressive, it needs to be functional, safe, and universally usable. The possibility of the Tesla Model 2 adopting a more balanced approach to its interface could be one of the most strategic decisions in its history. For years, Tesla has stood out for eliminating physical buttons and relying almost entirely on central screens, transforming the car into a kind of smartphone on wheels. This philosophy has won admirers for its modernity, but has also generated legitimate criticism. Many users report that simple tasks, such as adjusting ventilation or accessing basic functions, require excessive attention to the screen, which can increase distractions. For a vehicle designed for a wider and potentially more popular audience, simplicity could become a competitive differentiator as important as range or price. Imagine a Model 2 that maintains digital innovation but recovers physical controls for temperature, volume, or priority functions. This combination could appeal to both tech-savvy users and more traditional consumers. Instead of seeming like a step backward, it would be an evolution focused on real usability. And that could be exactly the kind of adaptation that transforms a promising car into a global phenomenon. Technological accessibility also needs to consider that the Model 2's audience may be much more diverse than that of previous Tesla models. While the Model S, Model X, and even many versions of the Model 3 attracted consumers more familiar with premium innovation, the Model 2 may reach families, retirees, young first-time car buyers, and drivers migrating from conventional compact vehicles. This means that intuitive design ceases to be just a preference and becomes a market necessity. Tesla may have a rare opportunity before it to create a vehicle that not only reduces costs, but also redefines how advanced technology can be presented in a simple and inclusive way. If it succeeds, the impact could go beyond the electric segment. It could influence the entire automotive industry. After all, when a company proves that high technology can coexist with practicality, competitors inevitably follow suit. The success of the Model 2 may depend as much on this everyday experience as on its battery. Despite the enthusiasm, it's crucial to reinforce a central point. To date, Tesla has not officially confirmed the final price, full equipment list, or formal opening of reservations for the Model 2. Much of what circulates today comes from market analyses, industry projections, and expert speculation. Some of these projections are well-founded, but they remain predictions. This means that any financial decision based on unofficial figures carries risks. Excited consumers often make the mistake of planning future purchases, assuming overly optimistic scenarios. Changes in the global economy, tariffs, materials, regulations, and Tesla's own strategic priorities can drastically alter the final outcome. In a sector as dynamic as the automotive industry, especially in the electric segment, even technically sound projections can change in a few months. Therefore, keeping up with information is smart. Acting as if everything is already confirmed is not. This scenario of intense anticipation also creates fertile ground for scams.